Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny device admin apps access in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now in special access, click on device admin apps. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the device admin app access. So if you want to allow a app to use the device admin app access, then turn on its button and then click on activate. And if you want to deny the app to use device admin app access, then tap on its button to turn it back off. Now click on deactivate. So that's how you can allow or deny device admin apps access in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.